give you that candy. This is not totally creepy. Come on, let me give it to you. Let me give it to you. That goddamn candy.
Okay, so welcome everybody to 7 days without rain. I don't know what shit I'm gonna do going. This must control the hero. Get him as he tried to make the world a better place. Oh. That is not gonna make the world any better. Okay, listen to me. What? What? Alright. Oh. Almost at the right moment. Oh. Yeah. Just one? Just one, he said? The next day. I see the weary traveler. He's a perfect target for my training. Wait a second. What kind of training? What kind of training? Keep the object in the circle. What is it trying to do? To make the worlds better. Oh! Oh, he's giving this poor traveler. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, that is amazing. Oh! I love this game. I love it. I love this game so much. It's so amazing. Nah. No! Success. Yeah. Found a diamond. My wedding diamond ring. My husband works so hard. It doesn't fit any more diamond. It doesn't find any more diamond. Oh, that is... Oh my god, that is one of the best game. Oh. I need to give it. No. I was wondering if the old trick of right-clicking was gonna work. I'm sure some of you guys remember that trick. Oh, I love this game. I really love it. Oh, this is heartwarming. Oh. Next day. Oh. Yeah. I found candy. Oh, that's gonna be a little girl, something like that. Oh, Halloween today. Time for sweet. Ah! It's time to give candy. Yeah! Give it! Oh! Gonna do it. No! Almost! Fuck! Why can't I keep any? I put a bag of money in someone pocket, but I can't do a candy, a single candy. It is not supposed to be amazing! Amazing a bit, sorry. I want to make the world better! Let me do your world better. Let me get your world better. Come on, 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 come on. Please, 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 please. Oh, not another one. Just, oh no. Come on, make the world better. Think about it, think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Oh yeah. It's time to make the world better. Let me make your world better. I'm gonna give you that candy. This is not totally creepy. Come on, let me give it to you. Let me give it to you. That goddamn candy. Ah. Yeah. Ah! Don't trick me like that. Don't trick me like that. No. Please. Let me do this. You can do it. 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 Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yes. The job is done. Time to rest. Oh, what such a good person. Oh my god. Kind of like my three artists. Don't really know what I'm doing.